Actor Shakti Kapoor has rubbished rumors about his daughter Shraddha Kapoor's marriage with celebrity photographer Rohan Shrestha. In a conversation with IANS, he said the actress is very busy. Shraddha, who was in Heather and Half Girlfriend, is now shooting for the as yet unnamed Love Ranjan film starring Ranbir Kapoor, Boni Kapoor, and Dimple Kapadia. But she has been in the news of late more because of the rumors of her impending marriage. Shakti Kapoor put the rumors to rest with his response to a query from INS. No one is getting married, the ultimate Bollywood baddie said with a laugh. He blamed the free time on people's hands for the circulation of the fake news. Kapoor said, in the time of corona, everybody has time, so these rumors are going to circulate. I have been in this industry for more than 40 years, so I don't care. Neither does Shraddha nor does her mother and brother. He added, nobody is getting married and Shraddha is very busy. She is going to be busy for the next few years. Shraddha made her debut in 2010 film Teen Patti. She earned her share of the spotlight with the blockbuster Ashiki 2. Incidentally, Rohan Shrestha is also second-generation Bollywood lensman, being the son of famous Rakesh Shrestha. Shraddha will also feature in a double role for the first time in Pankaj Parashar's upcoming film Chalbaz in London. Incidentally, Parashar had directed late superstar Sridevi in the 1989 comedy hit Chalbaz, which cast Sridevi as long-lost twins. Shraddha recently turned muse for ace designer Falguni Shane Peacock. The actress looked elegant in a heavily embroidered lehenga and zari dupatta. She styled her outfit with heavy neckpiece, matha pitti, and tiny earrings. Shraddha completed the look with dewy makeup. The actress looked like a royal princess. Shraddha is an avid social media user. She often shares tidbits from her personal and professional life on her Instagram handle. Have a look at the pictures.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.